Hello students, the aim of the today's experiment is preparation of 1000 ml of 0.1 molarity standard solution of oxalic acid. So this is the aim of today's experiment. Before performing the experiment, let us try to understand some of the basic definitions with respect to this experiment. Okay. The first definition that we are going to say is what is solution? Solution is nothing but homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent is called a solution. I repeat, homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent, we call it as a solution. Solute is the one which we are going to take it in smaller quantities in the solution is called as solute, and the component which is present in the largest quantity we call it as a solvent. Then comes standard solution. A solution whose concentration is exactly known is called a standard solution. I repeat, solution whose concentration is exactly known is called standard solution. Then comes what do you mean by concentration? Amount of solute present in a given quantity of solution is called concentration. Once again I will repeat, amount of solute that is present in a given amount of solution is called concentration. As I have written here, there are different ways of expressing the concentration. One is molarity, represented by capital M, molality, small m, mole fraction, represented by the Greek letter chi, normality, capital N, mass percentage, volume percentage, and the last one is mass by volume percentage. And these are the different ways in which we can express the concentration. Okay, so in today's experiment we are going to take or express the concentration in terms of molarity, that is the first one, which is represented by the capital letter M. Okay, so as we have already seen that we are going to prepare 1000 ml of 0.1 standard solution of oxalic acid. Now the question is, how much amount of solute, that is oxalic acid, has to be taken and dissolved in 1000 ml of water. So we are having the formula molarity is equal to weight of the solute multiplied by 1000 divided by molecular mass of the solute multiplied by V is volume of the solution. So now already we know that we are going to prepare 0.1 molar solution, that is the value of molarity is 0.1, which has already been given in the aim. Okay, so we have to find the weight of the solute that we are supposed to take multiplied by 1000 divided by MB is nothing but, as I told, it is the molecular mass of the solute. In today's experiment the solute is oxalic acid. The formula for oxalic acid is like this. This is the structural formula of oxalic acid: COOH, COOH dihydrate. So if I am going to write the compressed molecular formula for this one, you can see that in the given structure there are 2 carbon atoms. Okay, and oxygen you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 2. So totally 6 oxygen atoms, and hydrogen is here, it is 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the compressed molecular formula for the oxalic acid dihydrate. So let us find the molecular mass of this one. There are 2 carbon atoms multiplied by its atomic mass, that is 12, plus 6 oxygen atoms multiplied by its atomic mass plus 6 multiplied by atomic mass of hydrogen. So if you are going to solve this one, you will be getting the answer as, so the on simplification we are going to get the answer as 2 multiplied by 12 is 24, 6 multiplied by 16 is 96, 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. So if you are going to add all the three numbers, you will be getting the answer as 126. So the molecular mass of oxalic acid dihydrate which we are going to use today is 126. So the value of MB is 126 multiplied by V. V is nothing but the volume of the solution which we are going to prepare. In the aim, you can see here we are going to prepare 1000 ml of the solution. So the volume of the solution is 1000. So we need the value of WB. So it will be 0.1 multiplied by 126 multiplied by 1000 divided by 1000. Okay, 1000 it will get cancelled. 0.1 multiplied by 126, it is going to be 12.6 grams. So what we are supposed to do here is we are going to take 12.6 grams of oxalic acid and we are going to dissolve it in a minimum quantity of water, and then we are going to dilute it up to 1000 ml. So whatever solution that we are getting, it will be of 0.1 molar standard solution of oxalic acid. Okay, so this is the calculation part. Then we will go for experiment. Okay, as you can see, we have kept the watch glass in the digital balance and the reading here we can see it is 0.000. Now I am going to take oxalic acid. You can see here it is oxalic acid purified. So how much we have to take? As we have done the calculation, we know that we are going to take 12.6 grams of oxalic acid, isn't it? Okay, now it is 3.515. Here you can see that we are taking exactly 12.600 grams of oxalic acid. Yes, whatever we have weighed the oxalic acid, that is 12.60 gram, we are going to transfer that one into the volumetric flask of 1000 ml, that is 1 liter, with the help of funnel. As you can see the setup we have done. Okay, just I will transfer the oxalic acid. So whatever oxalic acid has got stuck into the funnel, we are going to transfer that into the volumetric flask with the help of distilled water. Okay, you can see that whatever oxalic acid was stuck in the funnel is getting transferred into the volumetric flask. Keep on adding the water until all the oxalic acid particles which also got stuck in the funnel will get transferred into the volumetric flask. Okay, so try to clean the funnel as much as possible with minimum quantity of water. Now you can see that there is no particles of oxalic acid in the funnel. All the particles has got transferred into the funnel. Okay, you can see here, add little bit more of water. Now what you do is close the volumetric flask with the stopper. Okay, then swirl it until all the oxalic acid, whatever solid is present, it will get dissolved into the water. Keep on swirling the flask until and unless all the particles get dissolved in the water. Now you can see here all the oxalic acid particles have been completely dissolved in water. Now because this is 1000 ml of volumetric flask. I hope you can see here the round mark. So try to dilute the solution up to this level by adding water. Okay, so we will start adding the water now. Open the stopper. Okay, keep on adding the water. Yes, dilute the solution by adding the water. With the help of the funnel, we are going to transfer the water till the round mark. Okay. Yes, now we can see that we have added the water up to the round mark. This indicates now the solution is up to 1000 ml, that is 1 liter. After adding water, stop the upper part with the stopper and invert it and then shake it well. Okay, so now this solution is nothing but your 0.1 molar oxalic acid solution. Okay.